Welcome back to Oracle TV, and we are at our final segment, and I couldn't be more excited to introduce our guest for today. And because we've had so much that we have talked about today, and we're going to wrap it up with Tobi Bet. Tobi Bet was among the first to identify OCI as a major hyperscaler, and she's been a steadfast supporter of Oracle Cloud infrastructure and CSS ever since. Her vision has helped shape many of the service strategies that power our partners, expand our portfolio, and most importantly, help Oracle customers succeed. Thank you so much, Tobi, for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, absolutely.
You know, last year, Oracle announced the Cloud Success Navigator, and since then, a lot of new features, many of them around AI, have been added. What are your thoughts on these developments and their impact on Oracle customers?
I think, and I'm very hopeful, I think it's a great question, first of all, and I think I'm hopeful that the clients are really going to be able to understand now on their own or with a partner exactly what they can do and how they can do it. Because CSS's Navigator is basically a very simple use of AI as well, but a very simple collection of data that gets customers to think about what they want to try to achieve, how they want to achieve it, and what they have to use to do it. So before they even move to the cloud to reach the outcomes that they have or that they need, they'll be able to get this document all in one place. It'll spit it out and give them the best practices.
That's great. And then fast forward to this year, and we announced the Oracle AI Factory. We spent a lot of time yesterday with Gary Miller and his team talking about that. But from your perspective, how does this approach position Oracle in this landscape where AI is so rapidly evolving?
I'm pretty impressed, actually, with how rapidly Gary and Dev and the team were able to even put this together, to be honest. I follow them all pretty closely, and I talk to them often, as we all know, since I've been so involved and happy to be so with Oracle Cloud's growth. That it's pretty amazing. It's a lot of extra work that's been put in to wrap up exactly what you can do from start to finish using all of the different components that AI can give the clients to achieve the outcomes. And I'm always looking for business outcomes, but also IT outcomes that the clients might need to have and what OCI can do to give them those. So not just for current clients, but also for future clients. I think it's a fabulous thing. Everybody can play with it. Everybody can use it. I have. I'm not I'm not a genius, but I play one on TV and I love it. It's absolutely a game changer. I haven't seen anything like this yet that I love as much.
Well, Tobi, you were one of the first Gartner analysts to really understand OCI, and your predictions, they were right. But how do you now see OCI's success playing in the future?
Yeah, that's a really great question. I think that Oracle is at a really great turning point now, especially with the leadership and a lot of the different changes that have come about. I love the fact that everyone is becoming more of a one Oracle in mind and thought. I think that's really going to help the customers understand, too, that this is something you're all in together to make happen. And I really think from a customer standpoint, that's exactly what they're looking for. It's that trust that if they give all of their data and their information and their workloads to Oracle, Oracle together is going to help them make it all happen.
One Oracle.
You know, I wanted to, you've spent a lot of time with Gary and Dev and the team understanding the Oracle AI Factory, but flipping to the other side, the customer side, thinking about outcomes that customers want, not just out of Oracle AI Factory.
Yes.
You know, that's a vehicle to get there, but from AI itself, what are you hearing? What are you seeing?
So I think that a lot of people haven't used the AI Factory yet, obviously, but it's going to be something that's going to get rid of some of the impediments for people when they're thinking how they can use AI to help them achieve more efficiency, as I know you've been talking about, and a little bit more speed. I would prefer to say efficiency and accuracy, to be honest, and I think that's still something that is a little bit on the edge So we'll wait to see. But I did like the BioFi. I want to give a shout out. The BioFi, that was just fabulous. I don't know how anybody can look at that and not think that that was a great use of Oracle AI.
We actually said that as well. It's like, if people don't know their name, they're going to start knowing
absolutely
their name because 100. Of what they're doing. I mean,
yes,
it's pretty amazing. Well, I have to ask, just because we were talking beforehand about the energy of this in this moment, what we can feel right now with the speed and everything that's going on, and these impossible things that we once thought were impossible or out of reach are becoming in reach. And, and so at this moment in this conference, what are you experiencing?
I'm experiencing, honestly, how ignorant I was before I came to this. I want to be I'm very honest, obviously a little bit to a fault. I was calling it Oracle World because I was like, wait, what are we doing? And I'm all in right now on Oracle AI World because I really have learned so much just in the last 2 days that I'm actually a little more excited now, having watched not just your colleague yesterday talk about, getting her kids to use it. I'm kind of excited now to go back and use it. So I can't wait to get my hands on it, try to play with it, and try to figure out how I can help clients as well when they come to me and say, what can we use OCI for?
Yeah,
and how can we use it?
I think one of the things in Oracle AI Factory are all of the use cases that we're sharing, and I think that kind of helps people understand, put themselves in the mindset of, oh, this company did this. This feels like what we're trying to do. It can help me as well.
Exactly. It's not even just about use cases. It's also about case studies. Like your question about last year, this year differences. Last year it was sort of piloting, planning. This year we've had some fabulous business outcomes. There's actual real case studies that people have mentioned, more or less on efficiencies, but still very nice.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it just goes back to AI has been something that we've been talking about for so long, and now we're in this moment where it's really changing everything. And so thank you so much, Tobi.
You're welcome.
It's been wonderful to talk with you, and thank you for being our final
very
guest.
Kind,
I mean, you are the perfect guest to end day 2 of Oracle TV.
So.
And so thank you for being here.